Okay. So here you have it. Balancing redox reaction in acidic medium. So these are the rules. So the first rule is to check for. So but here what we are going to be doing is in basic medium. So when it's in basic medium, we'll now have an extra two steps, which is number 8. So that is to add OH minus to both sides of the equation. Just one step. So this OH minus that we've added, we'll now use the part that has H plus and OH minus. Once we add OH to the part that has this, you see that H plus OH minus should give us this, and this will neutralize to give us H2O. And the other side will now have OH minus. So let's try to use this as our example. Let's try to solve this question as an example. So keep in mind all the rules. I will have to go through it like I did for acidic medium. If you want to see me going through the rules, go and check for balancing in acidic medium. This is balancing in basic medium. This is balancing in basic medium. So once I know this, I'm now going to be taking my time to solve this question. So what I will do first is to, this is minus, this is 2 minus, then this is minus 2. So here you are having this to be plus 2, then you are having this to be minus 1. Sorry, here to be 0. Sorry, any element standing on this one is 0. So in this case, they both increased in oxidation number. But how I will not know which one is oxidation reaction is the one carrying oxygen. So I will now say oxidation, separating into oxidation half reaction. So this time because MnO4 minus 2, Mn2 plus. So there's a rule that says add water to the part with less or no oxygen. So plus, I'll add 4H2O. Now notice that the minute I add it, I've introduced hydrogen, so plus it's H plus. So the next thing is to balance the charges. But before I balance charges, let me get the reduction half reaction. Call it half reaction or half cell reaction, whichever one you want to call it. This is now going to be something as saying 2I minus 2I2. So when you do this, you can now clearly see that this will now be minus 2 and 0. And we balance charges, remembering the rule, balance charges by adding electrons. So we'll add plus 2 electrons this side so that this becomes minus 2. Electron means negative. So we'll add this here. Now notice here, to balance the charges here, we say this is minus 1. This is plus times 8 plus 8. So 8 minus 1 is plus 7. So this side plus 2 times. So here this side is plus 2. So notice that this side has lesser charge. So to balance charge, we add electrons. So how do we do that? We know that 7 minus 5 is going to be equals to plus 2. An electron is minus, so we add plus 5 electrons here. So it's balanced. So the next thing is to balance, the next rule is to balance the electrons on this and this to be equal. So notice that the coefficient of electron here is 2 and the coefficient of electron here is 5. Use this 5, multiply this. Use this 2, multiply this. So 2 times this is now going to be having 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10 electrons to 2Mn2 plus 8H2O. Then 5 here, 5 ion. Wait, you kidding me? 5 times 2 is 10. Are you okay? 10. So to 5 iodine plus 10 electrons. So you see that that's the goal, to make the electrons to be equal. So this can cancel this. Since they are on different sides, can cancel. Now we can now go to the next rule, which is we collect this. So we now collect the left hand side of both reactions and the right hand side of both reactions, plus 16H plus then plus 10 to give me. So if you check now, let's check the charges. So I have minus 2 plus 16 minus 10 minus here times this thing. So I have minus 2 minus 10 is minus 12. 16 minus 12 is equals to 4. Now let's check this side. I have, let's, so let's say here, I'm seeing plus 2. Plus 2 times 2 is plus 4. So the charge on both sides are equal. So let's check for the element. I have, so notice that what we've done here is succeeded in balancing this in acidic medium. So before you can get to basic medium, you have to balance in acidic medium. So acidic to basic is where we are moving now. But before we move to basic, we have to be sure that what we are moving to basic is actually balanced. So I have Mn2 here, 2 of this. O4, oxygen 4. How many oxygens do I have here? Sorry, 4 times 2, sorry, 4 times 2. This 2 is for the whole compound. 4 times 2, 8, 8, 8. So why here I have 8 here. So for hydrogen I have 16. I have 2 times 8, 16. Iodine I have 10. I have 2 times 5, 10. So it's balanced. So to balance in basic medium now, so for basic medium, so this is balanced for acidic medium. So to balance it for basic medium now, for basic medium, what we just need to do is to carry the balanced equation we have here, which is 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10 iodine to 2Mn2 plus 8H2O plus 5 iodine, either 10 iodine, then 5 times 2, that's 10 iodine. Now when you do this, you now come and say plus OH minus plus OH minus. Just add this to both sides. You know that that's what base is. Now when you do this, as you are adding this OH minus, you add it in such a way that it will correspond with the H plus I have here. Notice that the coefficient of H plus I have here is 16. So I will say 16 OH minus. Then I say 16 OH minus. Assuming this is 8, I'll add 8 OH minus. So by the time you do it, you see that this will now give you 2MnO4 minus. OH minus plus, add OH minus, when added to H plus will give you what? A plus. So it's going to be 16H2O plus 10 iodine. And this is now 2Mn2 plus 8H2O plus 5 iodine plus 16 OH minus. So this is balanced equation. But let's check, let's confirm first. Don't just see it's balanced and agree to it. You have to be sure. So for us to check and see if we are correct, we say this is minus times 2 minus 2. This is minus times 10 minus 10. So minus 10 minus 2 minus 12. So this is 2 times 2, 4 plus 4. This is minus times 16 minus 16 minus 16 plus 4 minus 12. Charge balanced here equal. So now we have Mn, we have O, we have H, we have iodine. This is 2. 4 times 2 for oxygen. 8. 8. 16 O. So 16 plus 8, 24. Let's check here. 8. 8. 16 for oxygen. 24. Is balanced. So hydrogen 2 times 16. 32. Then here. This is 16. 16. Then 2 times 8. 16 again. So 16 plus 16. 32. So it's balanced. Iodine 10. 2 times 5. 10. Balanced. So you can now say balanced for basic medium. So in our next class, what we'll be entering is what we call electrochemistry. We'll be looking at voltaic and galvanic cells. So there you have it. Thank you. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Like and subscribe to my channel. You help us grow. Thank you.